Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2017 Honda Rebel 300. This bike is in beautiful condition, only 1,100 miles, and this is the ABS model. Satin black finish, liquid cooled, single cylinder, fuel injected, big fat tires, fully customizable. This bike is in fantastic condition. Save hundreds over the price of new, just $41.99. Make your Rebel dreams come true. Right here at Contra Costa Powersports, we have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.